How's it going, YouTube, and welcome back. And today I have a very special item I'm going to restore. As you can see, it is this pickaxe. Jeez. As you can see, it is very worn out. It doesn't want to stay up. Yeah, so I'm just going to restore it today. Okay, first thing that I'm probably going to do is quite easily detach that. Yeah, so we'll get that out. And now that we have the head here, I'm just going to file it, get rid of most of the rust that's inside, smooth off any rough edges, and just give it a nice little once over. Smooth that off a bit, make it look pretty well new. Yeah, filing is all good and everything, but I think we are going to cheat a little bit. I have a flappy wheel. Flappy! And we're just going to nicely try and do it. It's just a bit of experiment, but yeah, safety first. Here we go. Getting hot. It's getting very hot in here. Woo-wee. Oh my lord. Alrighty, we have wet sanded and it is looking pretty good. It's nice and shiny, as expected. From a pretty good wet sand, I reckon. It's not bad. One thing I would change, I'm not sure if I would use the flappy disc again, only because there's like these score marks. I'm not sure if you can see them. Yeah, they're right there, all along. Not sure if I should be using a different abrasive pad or something like that, but if you can maybe recommend what I might do next, that'd be great. So okay, so I am going to use a bit of this and a bit of this action, and hopefully we can start putting the thing together. I was thinking with this handle, it looks in pretty good condition. There's not much there's no damage on it at all. It just needs a good sanding down and a nice little polish over the top to give it a nice pure look to it. So let's get into it. So I pulled the handle out of the bags, and this is the end product of the handle. Looks really good, feels really good, and smells. Oh. We got a bit of a dilemma over here. So as you can see, this is the head, nicely polished, and when I stick it in, it goes down a little bit too far. Now I was thinking about putting a wedge up here, but I didn't want to make any lines and wedges because I was afraid it might split. I don't know. What I've come up with is that I've got these brass bits that I've got laying around, and I'm just gonna slot either side and then just whack it down, and then that should theoretically do the same job, I reckon. We're all in this about to explore new things, so let's give it a crack. Alright, so I finally got it on, and here it is. It looks really good. I really like it. It'll definitely do me. What do you reckon? Not bad, huh? Oh my lord. Damn, that pickaxe is good. It knocked over that. Oh.